Hello everyone. Now I'm going to explain you what the Jntuh question paper pattern. So, and in that I'm going to explain you the M1 subject where matrices and calculus is M1. So in that Jntuh it is both for R22 and R25. In that we have 5 chapters in total. First one is matrices. Second one is eigenvalues and eigenvectors, single variable calculus, multivariable calculus using partial differentiations and its applications. Next, multivariable calculations integration. These are the 5 chapters we have, and in this the question paper is total question paper consists of 60 marks. So we have to write for 60 marks. The question paper is for 60 marks. Then each chapter gives us a weightage of 12 marks. So question papers consist of 2 parts, part A and part B, where part A is a short answer questions which consist of 1 mark for each question, and we are going to get total 10 questions of 1 marks. So total 10 marks from part A, and next from part B is 50 marks where each question carries 10 marks. And in part B you are going to have a choice of second or third. We have to write any one. Fourth, fifth, we have to write any one. 6, 7, 1, 8, 9, 1 and 10, 11 also we have to write any one from each choices, each chapter. So always remember that questions will be in sequence. From chapter 1 you are going to get 2 and 3. Chapter 2 nunchi 4, 5 ostadi. Chapter 3 nunchi 6, 7, 4, 8, 9 and 5th chapter 10, 11. And in this, if you have luck, you may get direct questions like 10 marks directly, or else we are going to get from 2 as A and B. Each carries 5, 5, which gives a total of 10 marks. Okay. Luck unte direct 10 marks direct question అడగొచ్చు. ఒకవేళ లేదు ఒక ఆన్సర్స్ చిన్నగా ఉన్నాయి అంటే దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఆస్క్ 5 plus 5. Okay, 5 plus 5 10 marks for 2AB and 3AB. The OR will be present between 2 and 3. We have to write any one, either 2 complete A or B or 3 complete A or B. But we are writing from 2A and 3B. If you write 2A and 3B, then you are going to get only 5 marks. Only 5 marks. We are not going to get A and B, so don't assume that you are going to get 10 marks. Okay, you are going to get only 5 marks from this. So don't make this mistake. Next, each and from part A you are going to get, from each chapter you are going to get exactly two questions. Each gives 2 marks from part A and 10 marks from part B from each chapter. So each chapter gives us a weightage of 12 marks. Next, if you guys are doing one day batting, we don't have enough time to study, so we need to pass this M1 subject. Then there is a one trick. So completely practice any 2 chapters perfectly. Okay, you have to practice any 2 chapters perfectly. Perfect undi nenu ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అయినా సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతా అనిపిస్తే అప్పుడు మీరు ఓన్లీ 2 chapters చదువుకోండి. And important questions from 3rd or 4th or 5th, any one chapter for safe side. So safe undadaniki ఏదైనా important questions from 3rd, 4th, 5th which will be given in our further videos in our channel. Please watch them. Next, to pass you have to get 35 marks of 60 marks. From 60 marks you have to get at least 35%. 35% of 60 marks means 21 marks is the pass marks. So in the 21 marks you have to score 21. So by practicing any 2 chapters, I prefer first and second chapters for practicing to come to pass, because first chapter gives us 12 marks and second chapter also gives us 12 marks, which sums 24 marks. In worst case, if you write only these two chapters and come out of the exam hall, then you are going to get 24. In worst case, at least you are going to get 21 marks. Okay, at least you are going to get 21 marks, which is equals to pass. We can pass. Just for pass, I am not saying for all, just for pass. If you are doing one day batting, ఒకవేళ వన్ డే బ్యాటింగ్ చేసి నేను నైట్ చదివి నాకు టైం లేదు, నేను అయిపోగొట్టాలి సిలబస్ అనుకుంటే సిలబస్ అయిపోదు, పాస్ అవుతావు. పాస్ కావాలి అనుకుంటే జస్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ దిస్ 2. ఓకే, ఐ ప్రిఫర్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఫర్ ఈజీ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి, కొంచెం పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉంటే. ఆల్రెడీ ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో మీరు మ్యాట్రిసెస్ చదివి ఉంటారు కాబట్టి బేసిక్స్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్. And third, fourth, fifth, partial differentiations, as you know, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఇస్ వెరీ టఫ్. ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో అయినా సరే బీటెక్లో అయినా సరే, బట్ ట్రై టు అటెంప్ట్, అంతే. అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తే అట్లీస్ట్ ఒకవేళ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ సిలబస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమైనా వచ్చినా, క్వశ్చన్ తప్పు పడ్డా, యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ మార్క్స్. సో యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ మార్క్స్ కాబట్టి ట్రై చేయండి. దిస్ ఈస్ అవర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఫర్ అవర్ Jntuh R22 and R25, both for same. Next, in this, now I am going to explain you about the chapter matrices. This is our chapter matrices. Okay.